The stainless steel microcart from Healthcare Logistics is like the other metal products we sell. It is extremely sturdy and made to last. This cart is also compact and can be used for general supply storage and transport. Since the cart is shipped flat and unassembled, watch how easy it is to put together. Inside the box, you should have the following items: one top shelf, one middle shelf, one base shelf, 4 locking swivel casters, 4 legs labeled A, B, and C, 24 hex screws, 1 Allen wrench, and 1 tube of Loctite. Start by mounting all 4 casters to the base. This is done by simply screwing them into place by twisting the ring at the base of the caster. Remember, righty-tighty. Use the provided screws to attach the legs. Before inserting a screw, place a drop of Loctite on top. This will help keep the screw from working its way loose. Use the screws to mount the legs A and B to the front of the base. All sides are the same length, so you determine the front side on your own. Now mount leg C to the back of the base. Again, add a drop of Loctite to each screw before installing. Mount the middle shelf with the open lip facing the front. Again, more Loctite. Finally, mount the top shelf. Once more, the open lip faces the front and use the Loctite. All finished. However, if you have any issues, please contact Healthcare Logistics and one of our representatives will be more than happy to assist.